Hello and welcome. In this video, we will be discussing the latest developments and advancements in the aviation industry. We will explore topics ranging from new aircraft technologies to future air transportation systems, as well as the latest innovations in airport and airline operations. Firstly, let's discuss the latest generation of aircraft technology, the Boeing 787 and Airbus A350. These aircraft are built with advanced materials such as carbon fiber, making them lighter and more fuel efficient. In addition, they are equipped with the latest in-flight entertainment systems, including HD screens and virtual reality technology. Another area of innovation is hybrid aircraft technology, which combines traditional jet engines with electric motors. This technology allows for reduced fuel consumption and lower emissions, leading to more sustainable air travel. Additionally, the development of zero-emission flights is becoming a reality, with companies like ZeroAvia testing hydrogen fuel cell technology for commercial aircraft. When it comes to aircraft engine technology, we have the GE9X and the Rolls-Royce UltraFan. These engines are designed to be more efficient, with higher thrust and lower fuel consumption, reducing carbon emissions and operating costs. Inside the cabin, we have seen a significant advancement in connectivity technology, with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and 5G capabilities now standard on most flights. Additionally, airlines are offering more personalized in-flight experiences, with augmented reality and virtual reality becoming increasingly popular. Artificial intelligence and autonomous flight technology are also shaping the future of aviation. With AI, planes can predict and avoid turbulence, while autonomous flight technology allows for more precise and efficient flight paths, reducing fuel consumption and increasing safety. In terms of airport technology, the development of haptic technology has allowed for more immersive training for pilots and air traffic controllers. Additionally, drone technology is being implemented for airport inspections, cargo delivery, and even passenger transportation. Regarding aviation safety, advancements in X-ray scanning technology and biometric identity verification are improving security measures at airports, while also making the check-in process more efficient and less intrusive for passengers. Moreover, aircraft materials such as composites and nanomaterials are being used to develop stronger and more lightweight planes, increasing fuel efficiency and reducing carbon emissions. Simulators and training technologies are becoming increasingly realistic, with pilots able to experience a wide range of real-world scenarios before taking to the skies. Meanwhile, data analysis is being used to optimize airline operations, increasing efficiency and reducing costs. As drones become more commonplace, airport security is evolving to include detection and tracking systems to prevent unauthorized drone activity. However, drones are also being utilized for cargo delivery, with companies like Amazon exploring drone delivery systems. Additionally, airlines are utilizing digital technology to enhance customer experiences, with online booking systems, self-check-in kiosks, and mobile applications making travel more convenient and streamlined. Maintenance and fleet management technologies are also becoming more advanced, with predictive maintenance systems and automated inventory management systems reducing downtime and increasing efficiency. Finally, we have seen a focus on improving fuel efficiency and reducing carbon footprints through the development of new propulsion systems, such as electric and hybrid engines, as well as the implementation of sustainable practices in airline operations. Looking ahead, the future of air transportation is set to see significant advancements, with supersonic aircraft and air taxi systems being developed, offering faster and more convenient travel options. Meanwhile, cargo transportation will continue to evolve, with the potential for drone delivery systems and automated storage solutions. In conclusion, the aviation industry is continually evolving, with new technologies and innovations driving the industry forward. From new aircraft materials to AI and autonomous flight technology, the future of air transportation is set to be faster, more efficient, and more sustainable. Thank you for watching.